Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make souffle pancakes without eggs. Achieving that signature airy texture without eggs might seem tricky, but our secret ingredient is aquafaba. This amazing liquid, found in canned chickpeas, whips up beautifully to create stiff peaks, perfectly replacing egg whites. You'll need about 1/2 cup of aquafaba, along with 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, to get started on this delightful journey. It's truly a game changer for vegan baking. Now, let's craft our fluffy batter. First, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder in a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of plant-based milk and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Gently fold your whipped aquafaba into the wet ingredients, then combine with the dry mixture. Remember, mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and we want them light and airy. Cooking these delicate pancakes requires a gentle touch. Heat a non-stick pan over very low heat. Use a ring mold, about 3 inches in diameter, to help your pancakes rise tall. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter into each mold. Add a tablespoon of water to the pan and cover it to steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. This steaming method helps them cook through and become incredibly fluffy. Carefully flip and cook the second side until golden brown. Once your souffle pancakes are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy your masterpiece. Serve them warm, right off the pan, to experience their incredible airy texture. A simple dusting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a handful of fresh berries makes for a beautiful and delicious presentation. These egg-free delights are perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. Get ready to impress everyone with your amazing culinary skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.